Good morning, Badger. This is Badger. Okay, so here we have a antique Victorian doll's house, circa 1890 to 1910, and it's not in very good condition. It's been, at some point in its life, it's been dipped in a caustic solution to remove all the lead paint, which has kind of bleached it, but it's also removed all the glue and made the whole thing quite unstable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing and clamping. I'm going to restore this and I'm going to film the process. And I hope you enjoy watching. So we started by clamping. We're going to clamp from left to right. We're going to go that way and that way. We're going to start stabilizing the hinge areas, which is all very badly split. And there's lots of splitting and damage. This whole area here is missing. I've got the parts. I've just got to rebuild it. And there is an upstairs hallway. That window, I don't think that window is original, so I'll probably replace that. There's a little hallway downstairs. This whole area. Yeah, needs fixing, and I've got the balustrades for up there as well. This, I think, is a kitchen with a groovy old dresser, and it's got these amazing old doors. Now, I do have all the original skirting boards, which I'm going to. They've all kind of come off because the glue's all dissolved. But I'm gonna reinstate them, and I'll probably maybe put some paneling up the walls, just sort of like a dado. I'm not quite sure yet. First of all, let's get the structure fixed. These are the doors. Quite amazing. What do you think, Badger? Yeah? Lots of work to do.